You can't take him out. He's different. He's not the same. You are you, but he is him.
I got skits, selling more than all you niggas is albums. Come on, come on. Put some respect on my name. Put some respect on my name.
Yo.
Hi. Sifonela abangani bese bamantombazane sabatshela ukuthi sinama feelings for one.
Yeah. You guys brought me to Durban ukuthi ngizoganga nje.
Bafethu.
Yo, sikangani ngabanye abantu.
Content. Awema bafethu.
Avela vume. You ready?
I'm ready.
Yo.
Bafethu ngeke yabona into engigqoke la mina Skits efanana.
The wardrobe. Hey, what's good again, YouTube? It's the one and only internet, Somandla. And I'm back again with another video with one of your faves, or two of your faves, I don't know how you call it. My nigga.
They don't know me by now.
You know me?
You will never know me. Primo, aka Brown to Man, aka Primo 19, aka Banaba Free.
Let him cook.
Mina bafethu akuloya ngiyichaza bafethu ngoba indoda
Yo, yabona lento engishitha namaZulu guys.
angeke ngisayichaza. Ngizenge kumethu phakathi kwabuye yena bafethu ntomeni. Skits izengani la ungaze ukushaya.
Hey. Yo, today's video is hectic. We're going to be calling our female friends and confessing, well, it's a prank, that we love them.
Whoever I call, sorry in advance.
Right. That you've always looked at them that way, like, I loved you the first time I saw you. It's just that it's been so hard to tell. Yeah.
Oh man, I'm Brown.
Yeah, the reactions are gonna be This can go in two ways.
Who wants to start?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Best of one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, send it.
Rock, paper, on scissors.
Yeah.
We drop it on scissors.
Okay.
Yeah.
He won.
Let me.
Make that cut. So Primo's a gonna call a female friend, then
Are we gonna say? What's I say?
yeah, let's say.
Who I'm gonna call? It's one of your YouTube faves. Ooh, Nalady M. You know Nalady M. You know Nalady M. Yamaz Nalady M. Yamaz Nalady M.
Family.
It's tough.
Hey, don't you have this cheating screen protector?
Nalady?
Hi.
How old are you? Hello?
Hello. Hi.
Are you well?
I'm well. Sorry, I have no idea who I'm speaking to.
Sorry, dude. Let me not scare you. It's Primo.
Oh, hey, Primo.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm okay. Are you busy?
As in, like, right now?
Yeah.
Well, no, not really. Like, no.
Ish. I just wanted to have a quick chat.
Okay.
Yeah,
Let's have a chat. What's wrong?
No, nothing's wrong. Something might be missing, but nothing's wrong.
Okay.
Yeah, you thought it's been a long time coming, bro.
What's been a long time coming?
Yo, when did we first set eyes on each other on that plane? When is this?
You're definitely... Primo.
2013.
That's not how you were going to ask me out if you were serious.
What do you mean?
Definitely a YouTube prank.
Oh, Naledi. Oh, Naledi.
You were definitely not going to come at me like this.
Guess who it is? Guess who's next to me? Guess whose show it is?
Who's next to me? Who's next to you?
The lady, it's Skits.
I knew it. Mara Skits continue.
Dog.
No, guys, it was not gonna work with Primo. Maybe if you guys did Velolity, I might have fell for it. But Primo.
If we did who? Maybe if it was who?
Maybe if it was Velolity, I might have fell for it. I might have said, no, Primo, you were not gonna ask me out like that. Come on.
How did you expect me to approach you? I was brown to manning you, dude. What are you talking about? Take it back to the beginning.
That's all you remember. You had to come up with something different or something. Hey, yeah, no, I've been meaning to ask you out like for a drink. You know, I didn't want it to be based off what we had in school. You know, I want
You're wilding. How many times have you imagined this? How many times have you imagined it? You already have a script, Naledi.
No, let's just say I know how to like mess around when it's time to
Hi,
mess around.
let's please, can we stop right there,
Bye-bye.
please, before you say some things on camera?
Okay, bye, guys.
Showcase. Oh my god. You gotta call someone, bro. You gotta call someone again.
Someone else.
Yeah, bro.
You're wilding.
It's only fair, dog.
Hey ma, uzumbambile.
Okay, but you guys must call first.
Oh,
You have to come back to me. You have to circle around.
Yeah, that's okay. Was a talk. Mina ngazozofuna
Oh shit, why am I...
It's you.
Yo, Hope, what's good?
Yeah, hola.
It's in no, no, Essenwood. Essenwood.
Oh, since I need a skip.
How is the shoot up into what are you doing on Friday?
Yeah?
What are you doing on Friday? It's literally like a 1-minute video. It's not that long. Won't take more than 25 minutes of your time.
When you're 7th of Friday, I'm free now.
Ish man.
Is it?
Yeah. Mbezu,
I'll
I want.
let you know on Friday, yeah?
Alright, no pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to talk to you about something.
What's up?
Yeah, like I've been trying to tell you this for quite some time now.
Yeah.
Yeah, like honestly, I never wanted to be your friend.
I don't question already. When the lens bang, I don't question.
Oh, what's that? Dog.
Anikho smooth ematheleni.
You can try to prank.
Fuck, dog. Yo, this was so weird for me because now I'm like, what the fuck? How do you know? I'm with Primo, no Leon.
Bye, guys.
Oh, listen,
yeah,
I
yeah.
told him who to somethlega. I told him.
Guys, like, I'm the wrong person, hey. I'm not the one, hey.
Okay.
We're calling our female friends and pranking them by confessing our feelings.
I knew it.
Yeah, shame. I'm not the one. Sorry, guys.
Yashipane.
Umuntu angimthanda kabi.
Man loyo.
Udeba yena.
Man loyo.
Somshaya. Somkhahlila.
Bye-bye.
Showcase Jayam. Yo.
I knew it. I knew there was no way.
Okay.
Nani was gonna an early come better.
Yeah, yabona sinasiyafana ngineshow vez.
Angithi wena uthi asikho smooth. Wena wena ke.
No,
Asibone. Shell out.
That's it. God, please.
Yo, what's up, nigga?
Hey, bitches, nigga, kamba lapho.
Oh, dog, yo, you good?
Hey, kumocha. Engathi uhappy nje la ukhona. Skipha, isikhekhe sami yazali njayami.
Good dog.
Bese ufuna ukufana bese ngithi happy birthday sikhokho sami.
Oh, thank you. I was expecting it.
Cabanga mfethu. Imali mfethu. Athena amaplan.
Wena futhi.
Cha sengisho ukuthi phela wena ngisivele bese sikhulumile vele ukuthi kanjani nje sengibuziswe wena njengoba sesithawa manje athina amaplan.
Oh no, I actually bought that thing
Cabanga la bengifuna ukubona mina namhlanje njengobuzala cabanga. Manje yenze kanjani? Yabo nje manje mfethu lento engifuna ukutshela wena ibalekile nangikwazi ukuthi ngikutshele ngoba ngizoba busy kancane later yabo.
Okay.
So manje ngcono ngikutshele njengamanje mhlawumbe sesingakhuluma ke later usungizwe ukuthi ngifuna ukuthini.
Okay.
Yeah, imake uthe ubusy la ukhona kubusy la ukhona thulekile.
Thulekile mfowethu.
Okay. So mfethu yazi lana mfethu kade ngihleli lana mfethu yabo. Lebo indlela engifela ngazi mfethu. Angazi njani. Yabo. So njengoba ngifonele manje ngitshela ukuthi hayi bana ngiyafa. Ngiyahluleka.
What? There's no way. Are you serious?
Yeah, Skok.
Everything makes perfect sense now for some odd reason. For some odd reason, that a lot of things are making sense. Yeah.
Bafethu ngeke bafethu ayikwazi ngeke bafethu ngeke asivaleni leshandisi yo hayi bafethu ngeke bafethu wrong leshandisi hayi bafana bam skits cut this shit out hayi bafethu cut this shit.
Yeah. Uzosini manje?
Skits ngeke dog. Nah dog. Nah. Whoa.
Mfonele umtshele.
Oh shit man. Oh shit.
Yo! Bafethu ngeke siyekudlala bolo.
Uthini na? Abengamuzwa mina.
Hayibo.
Actually, a lot of things are making
No,
sense.
bafethu asiyekele ukudlala bolo.
Actually, a lot of things.
Asiyekele ukudlala bafethu. What the hell?
Cabanga nje manje uthe umuntu kwenzana ngempilo yakhe.
Yo,
Ufonele phuma kokwenza icross.
Stuck.
Let's be just.
Ngoloza.
That's fine.
Yo.
Skoko sami. Angiziyazi ukuthi birthday yakho namhlanje. Ngize ngiyakupranka Skoko sami cabanga. Bitches nigga. Uyazi ngicwele kanjani. Ekuthini into nje ngizofika ngizokubona njani ne?
Okay, no problem.
Ngiphatheleni.
Actual birthday cake.
Okay, khuleka nje I'm correct Skoko sami.
Okay, thank you.
Bitches nigga.
Bye, Cloud.
Something so Something so birthday cake.
Asikwazi bafuthi omunye umuntu bolo. Bafuthi la mpahla futhi.
It's the job. Leon, we're in the job. We are in the job. Leon, we are in the job. Say officine. We are in the job. When someone's at West, you are in the job.
Whoever has TikTok video ideas, let's rock.
Yeah.
Hey yo guys,
Let's rather rock
shout out to you guys
TikTok.
for watching the video this far. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. Subscribe to Leon's channel, follow Primo on all social media platforms.
I'm coming to YouTube also, so please.
Gang,
time.
anything you want to say? Say it.
banyana mara kudatake na ayi futhi uphethe utshwala ngifuna ukuzwa ngiwani umbali uyarasa ngapha ngiphathisa